All right, today we're going to bring a projector. Now, this projector, I got it for 2 reasons. I do a lot of outdoor activities where I play golf, play some video games, and not only that, it's a great projector for movie time. Not only does it have all those features, but it also includes the software along with it. Now, when I say the software, it's because a lot of these machines are not like the smart TVs that come with pre-installed Netflix or anything like that. But this one does actually. This one has all the features plus more. Now, on top of that, it's one of those things that you could actually use to stream through your phone too, or your iPad, either way. So it's compatible with iPhone, Android too. Instructions are included with it. Let me show you the back. In the back, you got your power supply. You got your power button. You got your IR connection, which is for your remote control. You got your audio connection, 3.5 jack. You got your HDMI and 1 USB. Now, the USB is for 2 reasons. You could transmit with a portable USB drive your movies or your music into that system. On top of that, you could power other devices for 5 volts, all right? Now, let's turn it around. You're also going to find the IR connection, which is for your remote control. So either you're standing in the back or in the front, you're going to be able to remote the system. Now, the great thing about this is it automatically triggers itself to focus. So you don't have to worry about, if you change the direction of the actual projector or somewhere else, it's going to automatically pillar itself and set itself up. Now, there is some features on the remote that you can actually focus even more, just in case if it's a little off. Also, you can make changes to the actual screen size because the screen size is humongous. So if you don't have the space, you could actually zoom it out or zoom it in. So let's put it to use. All right, we're here outdoors. We're gonna test it out tonight, our projector. We're gonna put it on a big giant screen here. We're gonna do some gaming and some golf simulation, some movies, show you us what else it can do. Put the light on, look how bright it is, the light. Hey, look at this. This thing is working really good right now and it's adjusting. I just did an update right now. I'm gonna crop it out to shorten it out because it's a little too wide right now. But this thing is like humongous screen I have in here. Sharpness looks incredible. I'm gonna turn off the light in a bit, but look, I'm just zooming in from where you guys can see it. And it's sitting right here, right next to me, right above me. But I'm gonna raise it higher because I'm gonna play some golf simulator right now and show you guys my outdoor golf simulation.
I need your help, Mabel. I'm in the middle of class. A class that you are enrolled in.
Stop, Mabel.
Come with me. The traditional methods to understand animals just weren't working.
All right, we're gonna cast through our phone so we could transfer some data because I got some games I want to play golf. So we're on your controller, right? You got this button here where it says a casting, right? So we're gonna hit casting. All right, now here it says what kind of casting do you want to do? We're gonna do which is media, all right? We're going to do media casting, and then you have to go into your phone settings and look for either if it's an iPhone, you have to do mirror. If it's a Droid, you have to do smart view. So. Right there. Some of it. Let's go. Let's go. Show you my projector, how I set it up. So this is it right here, guys. Set it up on the ceiling high. Whoa. 4, 2. Steady, 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 steady. Whoa. So far, gaming wise, you see me playing, it is super fun with it. Very quiet, very, very quiet. Now, the only thing I'm gonna add, because the speakers are only for me on the right hand, I'm gonna surround sound so I could hear the game running. So if you guys are looking for a great projector for gaming or just having fun, guys, look at this map. Awesome. You can change the squares from the actual projector. You could zoom in, you could zoom out, make the maps, turn your dough game table into a digital gaming table, simple with a projector.